In this video we're going to demonstrate how to set up a new user in Sage 50 Cloud Accounts version 27. From the Accounts desktop, you open the Settings menu, choose User Management, and then choose Users. To set up a new user, at the bottom click New. You then have three choices to set them up as a standard user, an accountant or bookkeeper, or an administrator. In this example, we'll choose Standard and then click Continue. You'll need to enter their username, whether you want the user to enter a password or not when they log in. So in our case, we want them to enter a password, so we leave the password not required field blank. And then also whether we require them to change the password when they next log in. If required, you enter a password, you'll then need to confirm it, and then you click Continue. We then need to select the level of access for the user. Now we've got two options at this point, and it's really just a matter of which one's the quickest for you. We can select all of the options and then maybe start removing the options that we don't want the user to have access to, or we can leave them blank and start enabling the individual options that we do want them to have access to. It's whichever is the quickest for you. In this case, we'll click Select All. And then just to demonstrate, we'll expand Customers and remove access to some of the options. Once you've set the access levels for the user, you click Continue. We'll ignore the Remote Data Access option for now and click Continue. The summary page appears, and if everything's right, you click Save. You then return to the user list, and that's the user setup. If you ever need to edit the user, it would just be a case of going back to Settings, User Management and Users, selecting them on the list and then clicking Edit. If you need to amend their level of access within the software, you can just click Level of Access link on the left, or to enable Remote Data Access, we click that link. As Remote Data Access is already set up within this company, we select the checkbox, then enter their first name, their last name, and their email address. You then click Continue, and the user summary page appears, and this advises you that an email will be sent to the specified email address inviting the user to access your data remotely. To make your changes, you click Save. You then return to the users list, and that's it done. You've set up a user, modified their level of access, and if required, enabled remote data access for them. We then click Close to return to the Accounts desktop.